Hey, hi everyone. So this is Nivas here, and I'm gonna cook spaghetti with tomato basil sauce and cheese balls. So I've got the recipe and the ingredients written down here. So we have a cap of 200 rupees that we can spend apart from what we already have. So I haven't spent more than that. So let's go look at the ingredients. So this is for the spaghetti. This is again going to be used for the cheese balls. For the cheese balls, this is the butter. This is the breadcrumbs. This is the corn flour. All these for the cheese balls. So tomato puree is being made with this. I'm going to do that. And this I've boiled. I'm boiling the potatoes here. So this is going so far. And yeah. So we are almost done with our cooking. So this is the tomato basil sauce, and here I am making the cheese balls. So this is a technique that I saw on YouTube to use the paniyaram stove for making cheese balls. It's kind of working, but we'll see how it comes out. So this is done. So kitchen is gotten into a mess. This is the spaghetti. So once the spaghetti is cooked, that will also be done. So this is, we're actually making the spaghetti now. So this is garlic and butter and oil. Okay. So after this we're gonna add oregano seasoning, this, and then followed by chili flakes, and then we put the pasta in, the spaghetti. Yes. So cooking just doesn't stop with cooking, it's also cleaning. So here it is, we have cleaned everything. So I have cleaned everything. Okay, so I have not cleaned everything. She has cleaned everything. So she helped me cook today. So yeah, bye.